Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can convert our sketch to the actual image in real time. So we're going to use here one amazing AI website. So how we can do this? So it's really simple. So let's open the website called OpenArt and we need to log in into this website. So you can log in with the Google account. So click on sign in option here and I'm going to sign in with my Google account, continue. And that's my account here. Okay, so you can see you can create the images like that now, but we are going to do here the real-time sketch to the image. Okay, so first let's see how we'll do that. So click on the home and you can see the real-time drawing. So click on this and let's suppose if you want to draw something. So if you want to draw the peacock, okay, so what I'll do, I just need to define here the name. Anything you can define name, like a girl, you can define the building, home, whatever, but make sure you need to define. So I'm going to define here peacock and let's click on run. Now I'm going to draw here peacock. Okay, so what I'll do, I'm just gonna just draw like this. Let's click on the enhance and let's try. Oh, that's really cool, guys. Okay, that's good, that's good. So now let's click on the zoom and let's see, this is your drawing. You can create a lot of things using this. Now let's create using some prompt. Okay, so what I'll do, I'm gonna just go to the OpenArt again and let's create image here. Okay, let's create an image. So I'm gonna give some prompt here. So what I'll do, I'm just gonna click here and I'll just say here dreamy girl looking at mountain. Done, and let's click on the create and let's see, wait some seconds. Oh, one option is just generated and it's really awesome, that's fantastic. Another is in process, let's wait some seconds, but it's really look amazing, guys, right? So see the mountains, the green eyes, the face, it's amazing. And see the another variation of that image is this. Okay, so both is looking so amazing. So now you can create like this. That's really fantastic, guys. Let's cross it. So like this you can generate the images and you can convert your sketch to the real images. Okay, there are a lot more options in the OpenArt. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.